Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I am doing a Bath and Body Works haul. Now, I haven't done a haul in a really long time, but I recently went to Bath and Body Works to exchange some stuff that I got for Christmas, because some of the scents they weren't just my style, because I'm very sensitive to scents. Like, I get headaches very bad if I don't like it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Bath and Body Works. I have the big bag right next to me on my bed, only because it's just easier that way, but I'm gonna take everything out. But one of the things I want to talk about right now is this candle, because it's on and I've been using it, and I got it at the same time I got the stuff. I haven't had a chance to film a video, but that one is called Champagne Pop, I think, or Champagne Toast. Toast Champagne, let me look it up. It is called Champagne Toast. I love the scent. So my brother would buy some scents, candles from Anthropology, and this scent smells very similar to the one he would purchase there. And a lot of the scents that he would buy at Anthropology I hated, like with a passion, but this one here, it smells really good. Because I'm just like very sensitive to like certain scents, and it just drives me bonkers sometimes because I get the headaches and all that stuff. But let me show you guys what I purchased from Bath and Body Works. Besides that candle, because that candle's like right there and it's hot and I don't want to touch it. That's gonna just make a mess everywhere. One of the things, and it's like one of my all-time favorite scents. I think if you look back at my old videos, I believe I talked about this scent. So Watermelon Lemonade 3-wick candle. This is my favorite scent, and I'm just like obsessed with it. I wish I could eat something like this because it just smells lovely. It's just one of those scents that I always go to during my summer. Like, I change it for summer and winter. Sometimes fall I get like fall scents, but not all the time, because there's only like a couple that I really like that's fall. Yeah, a couple that I like that's fall. So I got the candles, and with the candles I got the wallflowers that go with the watermelon lemonade for my winter set, or it's like my year-round scent. If I don't buy the watermelon lemonade candles, I always get the winter candy apple. Now these are like old boxes that I just put the winter candy apple wallflowers in. But these I did purchase the wallflowers separately because they're on sale. But I love, like, I could have the scent year round and be totally happy with it, because this is just a scent that I just really do adore. I bought 4 of the refills, and then I bought like 8 of the pineapple mango wallflower scents, because it is a brilliant scent. I do enjoy it. It's nice and fresh. Plus my mom really likes the scent. And the last thing that I purchased was the vanilla patchouli body cream. Now, I'm allergic to some body creams. There's like a chemical in body, like a chemical and like lotions that I can't use, and I don't know what chemical it is because my hands just break out in hives, and I never googled it. But I want to give this a go, see if I'm allergic to it, because I hope I'm not, because my hands have been dry this winter. So I like the way this one smells. This is 8 ounces. It's quite big. This should last me a while. Hi, Paco. But yeah, it's like not a lot of stuff, but at the same time it's a lot of stuff. Oh, and I got warm vanilla sugar. I don't know why I got that one. I don't really like vanilla sugar. I think this was an accident grab. Whatever. I was with my goddaughter and my niece when we went to Bath and Body Works. But like, honestly, my main reason was to get 2 of these bad boys, because I go through candles like it's out of style. And I put my lipstick on the wick. My dad loves it that I burn candles, because he likes to use these glass containers. That was my short haul. I haven't done a haul in a really long time. I try and get back into the swing of filming again. I did take a little break from this because I just had a lot going on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul video. If you did, please let me know by liking this video, like with the thumbs up guy, and leaving a comment down below, and you know, telling your friends about me, and we could all be friends and have fun chit chats and all that jazz. Till my next video, it's gonna be a review. I shall see you guys next time. Bye.